Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the TCL Tab 10s, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if we will be on the video or the auto mode, and just enter the settings which are in the left lower corner. What's more, I forgot to say that I hope that you can see those green lights. I've applied them before I've started the recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after the whole operation. So as I said, let's enter the settings which are in the left lower corner, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. So let's tap on it and tap on reset. As you can see, we just got back immediately. We've been immediately transferred to the camera, and you cannot see the grid lines. At least I hope that you cannot see, which simply means that for sure we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.